ONGC Limited v. SAW Pipes, 2003, 5 SCC 705, contested issue, whether the arbitration clause in the contract between ONGC Limited and SAW Pipes should cover the damages arising from breach of contract, including consequential losses. Law emerged. The Supreme Court ruled that the arbitration clause can include damages arising from a breach of contract, including consequential losses, provided it aligns with the terms of the contract. And State of West Bengal v. B.K. Mondal, AIR 1962 SCC 779, contested issue, the case revolved around whether the compensation provided for land acquisition was adequate under Article 31 of the Constitution, questioning the fairness and justness of the compensation offered by the state. New law applied and emerged. The Supreme Court emphasized the need for just and equitable compensation in land acquisition cases, reinforcing that the state must ensure fairness in compensating property owners, setting a precedent for future acquisition laws. And BSNL v Motorola India Pvt Limited, Civil Appeal number 5645 of 2008, contested issue, whether the arbitration clause in the agreement between BSNL and Motorola should apply to disputes related to contract performance and damages. Law emerged. The Supreme Court held that the arbitration clause applies to disputes arising out of contract performance, including claims for damages, provided the agreement specifies such matters within its scope. And Ghaziabad Development Authority v. UOI, AIR 2000 SC 2003, contested issue, whether the government or its agencies are liable to pay compensation for land acquisition beyond the statutory limits. And law emerged. The Supreme Court ruled that the government or its agencies must pay compensation for land acquisition as per statutory provisions and any specific agreement in the land acquisition process. And Gujarat Bottling Co. v. Coca-Cola and Co. 1995 SCC 5, 545, contested issue. The case dealt with the legality of a bottling agreement and whether it violated competition laws, particularly focusing on whether Coca-Cola's exclusive bottling agreement with Gujarat Bottling Co. created unfair competition. New law applied and emerged. The Supreme Court upheld the agreement, emphasizing that exclusive contracts in business are permissible as long as they do not distort market competition, reinforcing principles of fair business practices under Indian contract law and competition law. And Nutan Kumar v. I and Adjective, 2002, 8 SCC 31, contested issue, whether a party can seek a review of the decision under Section 24 of the Code of Civil Procedure without meeting the criteria for a review. Law emerged. The Supreme Court clarified that a review of a decision under Section 24 is permissible only when there is a valid ground like error in judgment, clerical mistake, or new evidence. And K.R. Lakshmanan v. State of Tamil Nadu, AIR 1996 SC 1153, contested issue,